Hi, today we are going to talk about mathematics. How, when we study mathematics, all we wonder that how it can be used in our daily lives, right? But I tell you, there is no branch of mathematics, howsoever abstract it may be, to the phenomena of real world. It has been applied and it will be applied. Yeah. So let's talk about the evolution of mathematics. Let's talk about the evolution of base 10. You know, Earlier forms of counting had no positional base value system, but around 1700 BC, the positional base 60 evolved. It was very helpful to Mesopotamians who developed it to use in conjunction with their 360 day calendar. The oldest known true value system is that devised by Babylonians and was derived from the Sumerian sexagesimal system. Instead of needing 60 symbols to write the numerals from 0 to 59, two symbols V for 1 and this symbol for 10 sufficed. Sophisticated mathematical computations could be performed with it, but no symbol for zero had been devised. So, to indicate zero, an empty position was left in the number. About 200 BC, a symbol for zero appeared, not what you think of, but it was like this, or was like this. And the base 60 system developed extensively. In the early AD years, the Greeks and Hindus began to use the base 10 system, but they did not have the positional notation. They used the first 10 letters of their alphabet for counting. Then, around 500 AD, a Hindu invented a positional notation for a base 10 system. He abandoned the letters which had been used for numerals past 9 and standardized the first 9 symbols. About 825 AD, the Arab mathematician A.L. Khwarizmi wrote an enthusiastic book about the Hindu numerals. The base 10 system reached Spain around the 11th century when the Gobhar numerals were formed. Europe was skeptical and slow to change. Scholars and scientists were hesitant to employ the base 10 system because it had no simple way to denote the fractions. But it became popular when the merchants adopted it. Since it proved so invaluable in the work and recording keeping, later the decimal fractions made their appearance in 16th century and the decimal point was introduced in 1617 by John Napier. Someday, as our needs and ways of computing will change, will a new system evolve and replace the base 10?